to flash, does she?
No, she takes out a little bit.
Yeah. Oh well, it's a nice video, but I'm not entirely sure what you're going to think of it when you see Addie, Mum, and Prostitute on T-shirt.
She's not a prostitute. She's a rock star.
She looks like a prostitute to me. No, in the best possible way.
The best. Isn't such a thing?
No, that was the joke. It's a nice picture, that.